Michael Mazarang here again, and today we're with Chris Merman and the team at Piedmont Foundation Repair. We're actually in the town of Lowell, North Carolina, and this is a very specialized type of a situation. This is what we call limited access drilling, and Chris's main expertise is in limited access drilling. This is the kind of project that we get invited to that the franchisees do not get invited to because they just don't know how to do it. So kind of fun for us. We get a kind of a steady flow of these types of jobs from the engineering community, the general contractors as well in this market. And so our blend of work does include not only doing helical pier installations and helical tieback type installations, but we have the ability to do micropiles and soil nails, which is what the application is here. Instead of these old bulky manufactured systems that a lot of our competitors have to use, you know, our product here is pretty much we have a custom manufactured type of a product here that we make in-house, supporting local steel companies and manufacturers to basically make all this stuff. And so what we're seeing today is that's the specialized drill rig that we use for this application. And as you can see, we've had to go through the concrete, and we're doing we're augering out this hole to make room for the installation of the soil nail, which has a sleeve which goes in through the wall, basically a rod, and then it gets grouted once we've installed the unit. And we've got about 15 of these to do on this old bridge. They're gonna be doing some renovations to the road and actually increase the level of the street itself to coincide with the two developments going on in this area. So in order to proceed with that part of the project, we had to stabilize this old bridge with this lateral system that's going to make it safe for the equipment to work in here. So very highly specialized situation that just simply very few people in the city have any access to. This is a specialty foundation repair type of program that only Chris and his team have the proper training to do, and very few of us that are able to participate in the bidding process for this type of project. So if you're a homeowner or a contractor, engineer, and you're looking for a company that's highly specialized in doing limited access drilling, Chris and his team, we stay pretty busy because we get a lot of referrals, but we get a better view. Okay. Yeah, we certainly would appreciate a phone call, and we'd be happy to come out and look at the job, get you an estimate for repair, and be able to share with you some of these applications and means that our competitors just have no ability to perform, and we are able to provide this unique service to our clients. So you can look at the bottom or number down at the bottom of your screen, and we will be happy to give you a call and come out for an inspection. So Chris, tell me, why was this specialized applications and means chosen for this particular project?
Due to the environmental concerns with this creek and all the wildlife and
yes,
that are here in the water, we had to use these drilling techniques versus other techniques to drill, so we didn't contaminate the environment and risk harming any wildlife. As you can see right here, that really we have little to no disturbance to the creek bottom whatsoever, and that maintains the cleanliness of the environment. Because when we get done, once we break everything down, we can just bring out this dirt and put some straw down, some seed, and this will look like it did.
Would you say that this is much safer doing this application as opposed to the older like helical tieback systems, things that were much more abrasive to the environment and to the actual bridge itself?
Helical anchors would have been impossible here because of the rocks that we're running into. Even now, we're having to muscle through the rocks in the soil in order to install a competent anchor. The piers would never go in. And we're not allowed to work to have equipment like machines or excavators, other things to drill helical anchors up above or on the road. So everything has to be mobile and clean down here in the hot.